Hi, welcome to Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan. I'm going to be talking about inflectional endings, also known as suffixes, and these are the suffixes s and es that we use when we go from one thing to more than one thing. Most nouns add an s to name more than one. Sometimes we add an es, and sometimes the entire whole word changes when we make it plural, like child becomes children and tooth becomes teeth. We'll talk more about that later. Right now we're going to talk about adding s and es as we change nouns from singular to plural. Singular is a word that means just one. The word single means one, and you can hear the root word single in the word singular. Plural means more than one. It could be two or many, many more. As long as it's more than one, it is plural. Singular is single, just one. For example, we might have the singular noun cat. When we make it plural, we change it to cats by adding an s. If I had the singular noun turtle, I would add an s to the end to make it plural. If my singular noun was the word sock, I would add an s to the end to make it plural, socks. If my noun is card, I make it plural by adding an s, cards. If my noun is tree, it's singular. Trees with an s makes it plural. In all these examples we've just looked at, we have seen an s added to the end of the noun to make it plural. Now you may be wondering to yourself, when would I add an es? So here is the cases when you would add an es to the end of the word to make it plural. Nouns that end in s, x, ch, and sh add es when they are plural. Ch, sh, the H brothers, x and s all get an es to make them plural. For example, watch. Watch ends with ch, so when we make it plural, we add an es to make it watches. The noun dish ends with a sh and sh, so to make it plural, we add an es to make the word dishes. Because it ends with an sh, we add an es at the end. The noun box ends with an x. To make it plural, we need to add an es, boxes. The noun dress ends with the letter s. To make it plural, we must add an es to make dresses. So remember, if we see ch, sh, x, or s, well, that's really, we hear those, we know to add an es. If we're reading and we hear those sounds toward the end, that helps us to understand that those words are in fact plurals. So now I hope you have a more clear idea about when to add s and es, what a plural word is, and how we use those suffixes s and es with certain types of words to mean more than one. Singular is one, and plural is more than one. And we use these inflectional endings to show that s and es. Lets us know it's plural. Thanks so much for watching Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan.